Part 3. PowerPoint. AI-powered presentation. Support for finance professionals. A significant part of the job isn't just finding insights, it's communicating them effectively. This often means translating complex data, forecasts, and recommendations into clear, compelling presentations for leadership, stakeholders, or cross-functional teams. Building these decks can be a major time sink, pulling you away from deeper analysis. This is where modern PowerPoint steps in, acting not just as a blank canvas, but as an intelligent design partner. Let's explore how its built-in AI features can transform your workflow from manual formatting to strategic storytelling. 3.1 PowerPoint Designer, your instant design assistant. Imagine you've just pasted a dense financial table onto a slide. Traditionally, you'd now spend minutes, maybe even an hour, adjusting column widths, font sizes, choosing colors, and trying to make it visually digestible. PowerPoint Designer revolutionizes this process. Here's how it works in practice. As soon as you add content, be it a title, a bulleted list, a chart from Excel, or that financial table, a designer icon appears on the sidebar. Click it, and PowerPoint's AI engine analyzes your content in real time. It doesn't just offer one alternative. It generates multiple professional layout options tailored to what you've provided. For instance, if you paste a quarterly revenue chart, Designer might suggest layout. A clean, focused layout with the chart prominently centered and a key takeaway as a large call-out quote. Layout B, a side-by-side comparison view, placing the chart next to a summarized bullet list of major drivers. Layout C, a visually rich timeline layout, integrating the chart into a broader narrative flow of past and projected performance. It can also automatically apply sophisticated design principles, creating color harmony from your company logo, ensuring strong visual hierarchy so the most important number pops, and maintaining consistent spacing and alignment across all your slides. This means you, the finance expert, can dedicate your mental energy to the substance of the message, the why behind the numbers, while the AI collaborates with you on the visual clarity. 3.2 AI-powered presentation. Tips beyond layouts. The support goes beyond single-slide design. PowerPoint's AI features help you elevate the entire presentation's impact. Consider the presenter coach, available in rehearsal mode, which acts like a personal speech consultant. It gives you private feedback on your delivery, noting if you're speaking too quickly, using filler words like excessively, or simply reading the slides verbatim, helping you present with more confidence and authority. Furthermore, tools like Design Ideas can help with advanced storytelling. For example, if you have a slide listing 3 key financial risks, the AI might suggest converting that list into an impactful triad of icons with accompanying short statements, making the information more memorable. If your presentation has an inconsistent tone, the AI can help align visuals to be uniformly professional, avoiding a mix of casual and formal imagery. For finance teams, the ultimate benefit is profound. You reduce the tedious, manual labor of slide creation by a substantial margin. This frees up valuable time to focus on higher-value tasks, like stress testing assumptions, refining your narrative, or preparing for tough Q&A. The result is that you communicate complex financial insights, not just with accuracy, but with greater persuasion, clarity, and professional polish.